Welcome back to Jack's Kicks, guys. So today we have two unboxings from week 1 of Supreme 2024. I'm actually excited for this. I'm really looking forward to this, so let's just get right into it, man. Alright, so today you already know we got the gloves and the patchwork shirt as well. Alright, so before we get into the unboxing, obviously it was week 1, so we got some stickers, as you guys can see there. It's the first one. Obviously you get a box logo sticker as well. Really nice. And I did not get the free gift. So I'm hoping that with week 2 I do get the free gift, because that has happened before where I didn't get the gift in week 1, but then week 2 I ended up getting the gifts. Here we are with the gloves first, and here's the packaging with them and everything. Really cool. These are extra large, and it's funny because these things actually sold out pretty fast in the extra large and XXL. They were sitting in the small and medium, but then it's funny because Lil Yachty, he was actually wearing an outfit with that 2-in-1 jacket with the vest with the gloves, and then these gloves sold out like right after that, as soon as those pictures launched. And it's so funny. I'm gonna say something funny. That exact outfit that Lil Yachty had on, I was actually thinking about that with these gloves. It's kind of funny how that fit that he was actually wearing, I was just thinking of that. So that's pretty funny. But anyways, let's just go ahead and just get right into this, man. So here we go. So yeah, so now these things are gone. I think the red's still available though, but here they are. Wow, they're very comfortable too. They're very nice. Dang, I can already feel it here. So yeah, so here's the leather, as you guys can see here, and has Supreme embroidered. Well, yeah, kind of embroidered on it in the leather. I can't honestly, I think, yeah, I can see this kind of start peeling away from going through heavy work and stuff. If you like really beat these things up, these can definitely get beat up. I can definitely see that. So if you're gonna wear these by working, you know, or doing whatever, just keep that in mind, that this leather will definitely start to fade. Or if you just plan on wearing it when it's cold out and stuff. So here's the front and stuff. Alright, so I just put the gloves on. It was a bit of a scare because at first when I was trying to put them on, it was like really hard to get on. I guess it's because of the leather. That's probably the reason why it was so hard to put these things on at first. But now that my hands are in them, yeah, they feel very comfortable. There's actually some room too, which is perfect. I actually wanted a little bit of room, so that's always great. They definitely feel warm inside, so if you live somewhere where it's super cold, I think you'll be pretty good in these for sure. So here's what they look like on hand. I don't know how to like really position them. Right there. Stuff like that. Really nice. Got the tags. The tags kind of hanging out kind of does like annoy me a little bit, but like honestly, it doesn't bother me at all. Like, yes, would I like it not there? Yes, but if it's there, like, it doesn't bother me at all. But really cool though. You can definitely see the Supreme embroidery, as you guys can see right there. Really nice though. Like this is nice. This is nice, man. Especially with a nice jacket out, too. You can definitely make something work with these, man. So let me know if you guys got these, or if you guys got the red ones, and which ones you guys like more. Did you guys get both of them? Definitely let me know, man. These are really cool. Now, if you have not bought the gloves yet, honestly, if you have like pretty big sized hand like mine, because I got the extra large, I think you probably should go for the XXL. I don't know though, like it's hard to tell, because if you guys don't mind having to struggle putting on the glove and taking it off, then I guess you're fine with extra large, because it's cool. Like once you're wearing them, you don't notice anything. Like it doesn't feel tight, doesn't feel small or anything, but just putting it on and off, it was a little bit tough to get into. So maybe the XXL might work. If you have any other Supreme gloves and they're like similar, you know, you might want to test those out before you pick those up if you haven't bought them yet. So I just want to keep that in mind for you guys. Here we are with the Patchwork Tee, and now this tee right here is hands down probably the best tee we have gotten so far all season. I know the season just begun, but you know, from the lookbook and everything, this is definitely the best one. This, out of all the tees that came out in week 1, this was the one to sell out like first, and all the colorways sold out too. So really nice. And the thing that sucks about this shirt right here, right, was that there was actually the artwork for this shirt was actually patched, like embroidered onto the shirt. If that was what released with this, oh my gosh. This tee right here would have sold out so even faster. This tee would have been hands down so incredible if this was actually embroidered and had patches on it. Oh my gosh, this tee would have been fire. But we got it printed, which does suck, but hey, I'm still happy with it. I'm still gonna rock it. It's definitely hard, and this is an extra large as well. So let's just get right into that. Use my scissors for this. There you go, just so I can just peel it off like that. There you go. I like to peel it off neatly, that way I can just put it back in the bag if I ever wanted to. Here it is right here, and we're gonna definitely try that on soon. But here it is, man. Dang. What you guys think? The nice black look looks really nice. The navy and black were definitely the best ones. As you guys can see, there's the white Supreme logo. Pretty simple, obviously. And this is nice. We're going to definitely try it on. But imagine if this was actually embroidered. It would have been insane. This would have been absolutely insane. And here's what it looks like on body right here. Really nice. Like I said, this is an extra large. Let me know what you guys think about this for sure. And what colorway did you get? I'm assuming you guys got the black one if you guys are looking at this video. But yes, that is everything in today's unboxing. Let me know what you guys think about the gloves and the patchwork tee. Overall, I'm very pleased with it. I have actually no complaints other than just the extra large is a little bit tight putting on and off. But other than that, once you have it on, it's perfect. Yes, these material, I can see this material starting to fade if you like really wear it all the time and really do lots of work in these. So you want to keep that in mind, obviously, with the gloves. Other than that, I really like everything that came with week 1, except I didn't get the free gift as well. But I'll have some more unboxings coming this week of a video that I actually posted a couple weeks ago, but I didn't post yet. And also for week 2, I will be covering the new stuff that I pick up from week 2 as well. So make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to Jex Kicks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you guys follow my main channel, Jex Gaming. The link will be in the description down below. And yes, I am going to be getting a new lighting setup, so sorry for the lighting, guys, but the lighting will be very improved. A lot of things. I'm gonna get a better webcam and everything, so stay tuned to the channel for that as well. Definitely want to lift up the quality for Jex Kicks just like how it is in Jex Gaming. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Drop a like. I'll see you guys on the next one. Sign out. Peace.